This again is an exercise for equivalence. We would ask them to reconstruct a triangle. Then we would establish the relationship between two of these. And once again, we would show that half of this would be equivalent to this one. So now they realize that this triangle is made up of 3 equilateral triangles, but if we actually change it into a hexagon, now you ask them to count, and they would realize that this would be equal to 6 equilateral triangles. So here we have them. So this hexagon is equal to this one, but this can also be changed into a parallelogram. The other step is if you only take one triangle, then it would be equal to 3 equilateral triangles, which this time forms a trapezoid.